We know of certain companies that have a better reputation or more cachet than others, and I think Barrett Sotheby's International Realty is probably at the top of the list on that. Selling a house requires professionals. We did a lot of research. We wanted to use a local Lincoln broker that was associated with a really well-known brand like Barrett Sotheby's International Realty. So ours is a custom house. It was very carefully designed. It had very high-end materials, but the difficulty we had with every broker that we spoke to about our house was they tended to see our house as a commodity. A lot of the brokers would never go and look at the land, and they were blind to the architecture. Terry was the exception, but everyone else could not see the forest for the trees. Terry really added great value to the process, identifying the key improvements to the house that were necessary, so the focus would be on how beautiful the house was rather than what has to be done to make it livable for me. 3 or 4 days before the house came on the market, we all walked around and we realized that we had created something really special. The house was a super hit from the first people that walked in. After 3 days of open houses, a lot of excitement, a lot of adrenaline, a lot of emotion, we did actually get an offer that was $1 million over the asking price of the house.